Welcome. In today's video, we are creating this 2D explainer video in After Effects. Yeah, select this layer, select this hand, anchor point is over here. Okay, select this pin, parent with this hand, press R for rotation, create keyframe, put this ahead, rotate it like this. Okay, press Shift P, create keyframe, put this ahead, position is over here. Okay, nice. Select this keyframe, put this ahead. Select this keyframe and bounce it. Okay, select this pin, press P, create keyframe, go ahead. Position is over here. Zoom in a little bit. Go ahead. Position is over here. Go ahead. And the position is over here. Select these keyframes. Keyframe assistant easy. Press Shift R for rotation. Create keyframe. Go over here. Rotate it like this. Go here. Rotate it like this. Go here. Rotate it like this. Press F9 to ease. Okay. Like this. Okay. Okay. Press Alt. This. Okay, this looks great. Select create a null. Okay. Go over here. Select this wheel 1 and wheel 2. Parent with this car body. Select this car body. Parent with this null. Select this pin. Press U. Go here. The car position is over here. Go ahead. And the car position is over here. Car position is over here. Over here. Okay. Press F9 to ease. Okay, like this. Select this tire. Select this wheel 1. Press R for rotation. Over here, this rotation into like this. Press F9. Copy this keyframe. Paste to this wheel 2. Okay, like this. Go over here. Select this car body. Press P. Create keyframe. Go to 10 frame ahead. This to null like this. Press P. Go to 10 frame ahead. Okay. Down it and go 10 frame ahead and copy this keyframe, paste over here. Yeah. Go over here. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select this keyframe. Press F9. Yeah. Go. Select this pin. This anchor point is over here. Select this pin. This anchor point is over here. Select this pin. This anchor point is over here. Yeah. Select this. Press S. Create keyframe. Put this ahead and scale is 0. Scale and bounce it. Copy this. Paste over here and this pin. Press P. Press P. Press S. Select this keyframe. Bounce it. Select this keyframe. Bounce it. Here you go. Animation is ready. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, Allah Hafiz.